Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things green, beautiful, and inspiring outside your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever wondered what the true meaning of potted plants for a patio garden is? At its core, container gardening on your patio is the artful practice of growing flowers, shrubs, greens, and even vegetables inside movable vessels rather than directly in the ground. It represents the ultimate freedom in landscaping, a flexible, creative design language that allows you to cultivate a stunning botanical sanctuary regardless of your yard size, soil quality, or space limitations. A patio garden filled with curated potted plants is essentially an extension of your indoor living room, bringing the vibrant energy, fresh oxygen, and unmatched aesthetic beauty of nature right to your doorstep. It is about transforming cold concrete, stone, or timber decks into living, breathing ecosystems that reflect your personal style and love for nature. The benefits of introducing potted plants to your patio garden extend far beyond simple curb appeal. First and foremost, container gardening offers unparalleled versatility and mobility. You can effortlessly rearrange your plants to accommodate changing seasons, shifting sunlight, or social gatherings on your deck. This mobility also makes it incredibly easy to protect sensitive species from harsh winter frosts or intense summer heat waves. Furthermore, growing plants in pots significantly minimizes typical gardening challenges, providing superior control over soil quality, drainage, and moisture levels, which drastically reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases and invasive weeds. Potted plants also serve as fantastic structural tools for outdoor design, allowing you to maximize vertical space, soften harsh architectural angles, and create natural, living privacy screens from neighboring properties. On a personal level, spending time surrounded by your custom patio greenery reduces daily stress, purifies the local air, and fosters a deeply rewarding sense of accomplishment as you watch your potted oasis thrive day after day. Decorating your patio with potted plants to achieve a truly breathtaking look requires a thoughtful blend of visual balance, texture, and artistic arrangement. To make your container garden look cohesive and beautiful, always utilize the classic design rule of grouping your pots in odd numbers, such as clusters of 3 or 5, which naturally feels more organic and visually pleasing to the human eye than rigid, even pairs. Create dynamic layers of visual interest by mixing and matching pots of varying heights, shapes, and materials, contrasting rustic terracotta with sleek white ceramics or textured concrete bowls to give your space a curated designer feel. When arranging individual containers, apply the time-tested thriller, filler, and spiller technique. Place a tall, eye-catching focal plant in the center or back as the thriller, surround it with lush, mid-height foliage as the filler, and let delicate trailing vines cascade over the rim as the spiller. Additionally, raise smaller containers onto wooden benches, woven wicker stools, or decorative steps to generate vertical depth, ensuring that every unique plant gets its moment to shine in the spotlight. Choosing the best plants for your container paradise depends heavily on your local climate and patio sunlight, but a few standout varieties consistently deliver spectacular results in pots. For dramatic structural focal points, hardier architectural plants like the stately sago palm, elegant ferns, and slow-growing dwarf citrus trees or ornamental evergreens work wonderfully to establish height and year-round structure. If your goal is to inject a vibrant explosion of color into your outdoor living area, prolific blooming annuals and perennials such as petunias, geraniums, dahlias, lobelia, and bright marguerite daisies offer continuous, dazzling floral displays from spring through autumn. For balconies and coastal patios exposed to intense sun and wind, heat-tolerant beauties like oleanders, ornamental grasses, and succulents thrive with minimal fuss. Don't forget that your patio can be highly functional too. Planting compact vegetable varieties like cherry tomatoes, crisp lettuce, Swiss chard, and aromatic herbs right at your seating area provides a beautiful, edible landscape that is as delicious as it is visually enchanting. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best potted plants for patio garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The lush tropical foliage corner. This design showcases a magnificent collection of varied green foliage planted in contemporary oversized containers. A towering glossy fiddle leaf fig serves as the structural anchor, beautifully flanked by wide concrete bowls filled with arching ferns and creeping vines that spill elegantly over the sides. The use of minimalist white and gray planters allows the deep, rich green hues of the tropical leaves to take center stage, creating a refreshing jungle-like retreat right against the house wall. 2. The prolific English country cottage display. A spectacular burst of vibrant color defines this classic country-inspired container arrangement. Large, weathered terracotta pots and rustic blue-glazed ceramic planters are tightly grouped together, overflowing with a dense mix of pink marguerite daisies, snowy white petunias, cascading purple lobelia, and bright orange marigolds. This layout perfectly demonstrates how mixing different flower heights and contrasting colors can turn a simple timber deck into a romantic, pollinator-friendly cottage garden. 3. The mid-century modern minimalist oasis. Clean lines and architectural elegance define this patio layout, which features an intentional selection of structural plants in chic, pastel-toned cylindrical pots. A striking sago palm commands attention on the left, balanced beautifully by slender dwarf citrus trees bearing tiny green fruits and sharp, spiky ornamental grasses. Arranged neatly on a rich wood deck against large glass windows, this look is perfect for urban homeowners seeking a clean, low-maintenance, yet highly sophisticated outdoor aesthetic. 4. The elegant stone patio dining escape. This setup highlights a gorgeous flagstone patio dining area surrounded by neatly manicured brick retaining walls and strategic container placements. Weathered clay pots holding neat topiary shrubs and colorful pansies are scattered along the steps and patio edges, seamlessly bridging the gap between the formal wooden dining set and the sweeping green lawn beyond. It is an ideal inspiration for creating a welcoming, cohesive flow between your hardscaped entertaining areas and natural backyard landscapes. 5. The solitary coastal balcony statement. Perfect for seaside properties or sunny balconies, this design relies on a single impactful focal point to elevate a modern deck. A large, neutral-toned composite pot houses a mature, sun-loving oleander bush adorned with delicate pink blossoms, positioned carefully against a clean white wall overlooking the deep blue ocean. This setup shows that you don't need dozens of pots to make a statement. One well-chosen, hardy plant can perfectly frame a scenic view and soften a contemporary architectural space. 6. The eclectic multi-level courtyard garden. This captivating courtyard arrangement utilizes vertical space and diverse planter styles to create an enchanting outdoor sanctuary. Dark green ornamental urns, a vintage porcelain trough planter resting on blocks, and hanging wall baskets are filled with a rich combination of bonsai-style trees, trailing ivy, vibrant red fuchsias, and delicate white fillers. The varying heights and historic charm of the planters give this stone patio an established, artistic personality full of hidden details. 7. The serene wooden boardwalk pathway. Softness meets structure in this beautiful layout where wide, shallow bowl planters in a calming sage green tone are spaced along a natural timber walkway. Each container is artfully arranged with a central mound of peach dahlias or soft purple petunias, surrounded by delicate filler blossoms and flanked by lush, feathery wild ferns growing alongside the path. This design is exceptional for adding color, rhythm, and a sense of journey to long walkways, side yards, or elongated patio decks. 8. The vibrant edible container harvest. Who says patio gardens can't be functional and delicious? This inspiring setup features a collection of productive edible plants grown entirely in decorative earthenware and glazed bowls, set upon a red brick floor. A heavily laden cherry tomato bush packed with ripening fruit stands tall, complemented by full bowls of bright green butterhead lettuce, vibrant yellow-stemmed Swiss chard, and feathery carrot tops, proving that homegrown produce can look just as stunning as ornamental flowers. 9. The florist's workbench row. Perfect for a tabletop display or a narrow patio shelf, this neat arrangement showcases a colorful row of young bedding plants in uniform black nursery pots. Featuring hot pink celosia, sprawling purple lobelia, bright pink dahlias, and vibrant lime green sedum succulent ground cover, This look celebrates the simple beauty of individual plant varieties placed side by side. It serves as a fantastic inspiration for organizing a potting bench or styling a narrow outdoor windowsill. 10. The modern monochrome privacy screen. This contemporary design utilizes tall, textured white planters to create an elegant, structural backdrop on a modern tiled patio. 3 tall, slender evergreen trees are aligned inside matching ribbed white containers to form a clean living privacy screen against a dark matte black fence. Interspersed with smaller pots of delicate variegated grasses and low-growing green shrubs, this sophisticated arrangement offers excellent inspiration for narrow side passages or urban courtyards requiring privacy. As you can see, incorporating potted plants into your patio garden is one of the most rewarding, creative, and impactful ways to elevate your home's outdoor experience. Whether you choose to create a dramatic tropical corner with massive foliage leaves, a colorful cottage display packed with blooming daisies, or a functional edible oasis right next to your seating area, containers give you the absolute power to design without boundaries. There is no right or wrong way to start. Simply choose a few pots that speak to your style, select the plants that put a smile on your face, and watch your outdoor space transform. If you love these patio garden ideas and want to see more inspiring exterior design tips, please make sure to smash that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the Garden Decor Designs channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly gardening inspiration. Drop a comment down below telling us which of our top 10 potted plant ideas was your absolute favorite, or share what plants you are currently growing on your own patio. Thank you so much for watching, and happy gardening until next time.